Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have our carbon fiber covers for the Polaris Slingshot. Today we're happy to introduce our lineup of exterior mods from the team over at Evolution R. These products are constructed from ABS plastic and feature a carbon fiber-like pattern for a very sporty look. We offer a cover for the front fascia, the center hood insert, the driver and passenger side view mirrors, and a cover for the top side of the factory license plate mount. Now, these mods can be purchased as a kit or individually for those of you who want to accent a certain part of your bike. Each piece is held in place with adhesive backing strips and has been molded to perfectly contour the applicable body panel for a precision fit and hassle-free installation. To install, start by adequately cleaning the respective surface area with an alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Then peel back the protective backing film from the adhesive strips. Align the cover so that it's straight, then press firmly into place to ensure maximum adhesion. Then repeat these steps for the remaining mods. As you can see, once installed, these covers add a custom look to the exterior of your Slingshot. If any of these mods seem right for you, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab some carbon covers for your Sling. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on everything with three wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.